As organizations scale, the hiring process has become significantly more complex and requires substantial time and resources. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, skill requirements are constantly changing. Expectations for faster recruitment, strict adherence to hiring processes, and strong governance are also intensifying. Yet most recruitment ecosystems remain manual and fragmented. Recruiters draft job descriptions from scratch. They review resumes one by one, interviews extend across hours, documentation workflows repeat unnecessarily. These inefficiencies do not just delay hiring, they cost organizations top talent, productivity, and competitive advantage. What if a platform could intelligently orchestrate the entire hiring lifecycle? Welcome to the future of recruitment. Introducing ACL Talent Suite, an intelligent multi-agent AI ecosystem designed to automate the hiring lifecycle. From AI-powered job description creation and resume analysis to interview automation, HR knowledge assistance, and document digitization, ACL Talent Suite brings together every stage of recruitment on one unified platform. I am Sophia, and I will walk you through how ACL Talent Suite works. Recruiters log in securely to the ACL Talent Suite portal using their credentials. The dashboard provides a centralized view of the recruitment pipeline, including open positions, scheduled interviews, completed interviews, and AI-generated job descriptions. From a single interface, recruiters can quickly monitor hiring activities and navigate to different AI-powered modules throughout the recruitment lifecycle. The HR Assistant chatbot is available 24/7 to answer any of your questions instantly. No manual searching required. The hiring process begins with JD Genie. Recruiters can upload requirement documents in PDF, DOCX, or Excel format, paste raw requirements, or enter hiring details manually. Using AI, the platform generates a structured job description with responsibilities, required skills, preferred qualifications, and additional recommendations. Recruiters can edit the content, regenerate sections using prompts, apply platform-specific formats such as LinkedIn, Twitter, and Naukri, preview the final version, and download it in multiple formats. Once the job description is finalized, recruiters move to Smart Hire for candidate screening. Recruiters can upload job descriptions and candidate resumes to the platform, either individually or in bulk. Smart Hire analyzes each resume against the job requirements, calculates candidate fit scores, highlights matching and missing skills, and generates detailed analysis reports. After candidates are shortlisted, the platform will schedule interviews directly. Candidates receive interview invitations with secure access credentials. Interview IQ generates personalized questions based on both the candidate's resume and the job description. For technical roles, the platform also conducts AI-powered coding assessments, while non-technical roles receive role-specific interview questions. Once the interview is complete, the system automatically evaluates every response, and recruiters receive detailed reports with competency scores, AI recommendations, and overall candidate assessments. After candidate selection, the onboarding process continues with DocuHive. Candidates upload their required onboarding documents through a single workflow. Using AI-powered OCR, the platform extracts information from identity documents, educational certificates, experience letters, and other onboarding records. The system organizes extracted information into structured formats, making document verification faster while helping HR teams identify missing documents and streamline onboarding. Hiring is just the beginning. ACL Talent Suite extends beyond recruitment to support workforce development. Let us take a look. Here we have Opus Learn. Opus Learn creates AI-driven personalized learning paths based on employee needs. It recommends relevant courses and certifications to help employees build the skills they need. As employees complete their learning, built-in progress tracking enables organizations to monitor learning and support continuous workforce development. Now, let us move to ACL Team Match. ACL Team Match helps organizations build high-performing teams through AI-powered resource matching. The platform evaluates technical skills, behavioral traits, and cultural fit to recommend the right people for the right projects. This helps improve collaboration and overall team performance. With ACL Talent Suite, organizations can automate the recruitment lifecycle from hiring to onboarding, generate job descriptions in minutes using AI, Screen and rank candidates with greater accuracy. Schedule and conduct AI-powered interviews. Access HR policies instantly using AI-powered knowledge assistance. Digitize onboarding documents with intelligent OCR. Reduce manual effort across recruitment operations. Improve recruiter productivity and hiring consistency. Integrate seamlessly with existing HRMS and ATS platforms. Accelerate hiring while delivering a better candidate experience. Recruit faster and smarter and more efficiently with ACL Talent Suite. Transform your talent acquisition ecosystem with the power of multi-agent AI. Visit ACL Digital to explore how ACL Talent Suite can elevate your recruitment operations.